Hello everybody, this is the week 11 video blog progress of my final year project. This week there isn't honestly much to report. There was really no progress on the actual project itself. I really just focused on writing the report as you can see here. So this is the final report called Development of Control and Interface Systems for a Flight Simulation Experience by Omar Bega. Yes, there really isn't too much to it. There was a major restructuring and feedback on the introduction and literature review. So it's a bit more well structured, where I just introduce what's a motion platform and what I'm going to do. Just really improving the literature review and introduction section, which runs to about here, to about this table. And from then on, I pretty much focused on writing the literal rest of the report. So this is the first draft. So this is where I go into the design and implementation and really just recapping everything that's happened so far in the project. Yeah, so that's like from the first few weeks, the design of the software, just the overall structure of it, making the visualization tool, the plugin that I use called XP Python, which is what interfaces between Python and Xplane, which is the simulator of choice. Really just another section explaining the design, testing, evaluation of the fluidic muscle calibration procedures. So really just saying what tests I did, what data I got, how did I validate it, what were my metrics. So in this case was range and standard deviation between cycles, and really just presenting the data, saying, hey, this is what I got and this is why it's good or why it's bad. And after that, really just covering the last bit, which was from week 9, from week 10, where I integrated everything back, like all the data from pressure to distance to pressure into the main software. So overall, yes, hopefully I can do a little bit more work by the final week and include it just in time for the deadline. But overall, yes, this was really the bulk of what's happened this week. I also focused on getting the presentation polished based on the feedback from week 6. And overall, yes, this is really most of what's happened this week. Actually, no, that's really it for what happened for this week. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.